Learn English at home with these 10 top tips. 1. Begin by immersing yourself in the language. If you want to be surrounded by English, you don't have to be in an English-speaking nation. Get creative with methods. You may include English into your daily routines at home, such as jotting down a grocery list or reading the newspaper, or even listening to the radio while driving to work. 2. Make friends with people who speak English. People from other countries are likely to be living close to you, even if they don't speak the same language as you. Going to international pubs and restaurants, joining sports and social groups, or organizing language exchanges are all methods to meet native English speakers. To meet people from all over the globe who speak English, consider working as a tour guide at a local tourist destination. 3. Find a study buddy or two. To improve your English, you don't need to converse with native speakers of the language. Join an English group or find a study partner to practice your English with on a regular basis. Motivating each other and assisting others with their challenges can help you grow. 4. Authentic materials should be used for this step. It's easy to get bored with textbook English. Try reading English materials written by native speakers and for native speakers alike. Getting started is going to be difficult, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes much more fun. If you're unable to locate English language publications, you may always turn to the internet for daily updates on world events. Take a look at the free English tools offered by EF English Live and see how well you do in our free English exam, amusing quizzes, and ebooks. 5. Finally, get on the internet. You may connect with individuals from all around the globe if you log onto the internet today. Find a pen pal to improve your English while also learning about other cultures by participating in internet discussion groups or taking online English courses. It's now simpler than ever to keep in contact with pals around the globe thanks to social media. 6. Establish attainable objectives for yourself. It's important to have a goal in mind while you're learning a new language. Do you want to be able to communicate with your foreign coworkers or study abroad? Maintain a record of your progress toward both short-term and long-term objectives. 7. Listening to actual English is the best way to learn the language. Even if you don't comprehend everything, you may improve your English listening skills by listening to English spoken at a typical tempo. Also, don't be afraid to listen to things a few times to capture any intriguing or odd terminology that may be hidden in the audio. Free English podcasts are readily accessible online, as are audio and video news reports from most English-speaking nations' news organizations. 8. Learn new words in a fun and creative manner. Look up the lyrics to your favorite English songs if you like singing. Writing new terms on a post-it notes and sticking them about the home is another option. To help you recall new terminology, write examples of phrases or draw images next to them. 9. In order to have a better understanding of the country, it's important to. The people and culture of English-speaking nations may be found by doing some research. A language is more than simply grammar and vocabulary. It's about learning to communicate with others who think and talk in various ways. 10. It's time to enjoy yourself. Learning a new language does require effort, but if you're having fun with it, you'll be more inclined to remain with it. If you're worried about making errors when learning anything new, don't be. Making mistakes is frequently the greatest way to learn.